Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Creative Zen Hybrid 2. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now we should connecting the headphones, so just click on it or they connecting automatically. Cool, but if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. To make a soft reset, press and hold power button to turn off your headphones. And after that, press and hold it again to turn on it. And it connecting. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So I recommend it to turn off your headphones. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget the device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device and then press and hold on the power button to turn on your headphones. Now we should see it at the device list, click on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!